Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In a situation in which from the last 2 years characterized by the pandemic and in the last few weeks of a war or a military action taking place between Russia and the Ukraine, the government will explore all options which are available. There are reports and there are contacts. I myself have had a conversation with the appropriate levels of the Russian Federation. These are discussions currently underway. Several issues which will require both how much oil is available either in Russia or in new markets or in new suppliers which may be coming on the market, and issues relating to insurance, freight, and a host of other things, and the payment arrangements. I would be delighted, Madam, on the first opportunity, whenever these arrangements are worked out between our oil companies and their counterparts in the Russian Federation, or our oil companies in Iran or other countries where more oil is coming up. It's a dynamic, evolving situation characterized by military warfare, when I would be happy if some of that military quotient is less here and I could get a chance to explain to my distinguished colleague in greater detail. Madam, मैं ऑनरेबल मेंबर को बताना चाहूंगा कि ये जो पेट्रोल और डीजल के दाम है 2010 में, पेट्रोल के जून 2010 में और अप्रैल शायद 2014 में उसके आसपास ये डीरेगुलेट कर दिया।